got into pickleball, so here's my pickleball set. Great deal. Link in the description. Check it out, see what you think. Let's unbox it. So it's a good deal for what you get. Here you get the grip tape. You get 2 of them, 2 different colors, orange, which I like, and gray. So it's good, you get 2 of them. So here we also have the super cooling towel to keep you cool as you play or start sweating. Another one, green one. And here we have the paddles itself. The reason why I got it, because it looks funny. Breakfast version. They also have a dinner version, but I got the breakfast one. It's well protected. Just the wrapping, the handle for the paddle. And we have 4 balls here, 4 pickleball balls, orange and yellow. Good quality for the balls, pickleball. Here we have the other paddle, different design, but related to breakfast. It's a good one to, it's good to have. I like it because it's funny, and they'll definitely talk about your paddle because it's breakfast themed. And here we have the backpack itself to carry all your pickleball set. It's nice. There's an extra pouch in the front. Here we have the thickness of it, zipper on the side here. See the inside of it. Yeah, and it also has another pocket inside, so it doesn't move while you're on the go. It's one way you could do it, like that. Also, preferably the other way around. Well, like this as well, if you wish to do it. And yeah, fits nice and snug. And then now we could also here. So this is what comes in the box. 4 balls, 2 cooling towels, 2 different colors, as well as a grip tape for your handle for your paddles. And a set of 2. And good deal. Now let's get a closer look at the bag. A strap here. You could adjust it for how long you want it. Nice bag. Now let's take the wrapping out of it so you can see the quality of the handle from the paddle. And it has a nice ergonomic grip to increase your performance as you play. So making sure that you have a good grip on it as you play. And it looks funny, the breakfast themed paddle. It is USA Pickleball approved, which is great. Let's take out the other wrapping from the other paddle. And the handle is soft, so it's great for your hand of all sizes. Now let's put the paddles inside the bag. Preferably another way to put it is with one handle down and the other handle in the opposite direction, so it's nice and leveled in both directions, up and down. That's good. Nice. Now zip it closed. It does fit nice and snug, which is good. And the front pocket is where you put the pickleballs. I recommend it. Makes a great gift and a good starter pack. And this is what comes in the box. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful or useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.